Hi, my name is Hanne and I'm Product Manager here at ABENA. In this video I want to introduce you to our hygiene solution for food industries. Do you find it time-consuming to maintain good hygiene in your facility? At ABENA we have dispensers that make it convenient for your company to maintain high hygiene standards. Take for example our dispenser, where you can use your elbow to get soap and disinfection. The design helps you reduce the risk of touching the dispenser with potentially contaminated hands. This way, our dispensers can help you lower the spreading of germs and bacteria in your food production. At ABENA, we recommend that the food industry use soaps and disinfection that are powerful yet gentle. By using our soaps, you can potentially reduce the risk of contamination in your production. With skin-friendly pH value and moisturizing ingredients, the soap is also gentle on your employees' hands. This makes it ideal for the frequent hand washing that takes place in your facility. Would you like to know more about our hygiene solution? Then please get in touch. We will be happy to help you.